Welcome. In this video we will learn how to make the Berluti note. It's a shoelace note, very resistant. Since I start to use that for the shoes, I had no problem at all. The best part is that we can get loose this note by pulling just this part, and the note comes undone. So, for starting, we have the two shoelaces, and we put the left one over the right one. We do a simple note and then we pull. Then we make like the simple shoelace note. Since we have started with the left one over the right one, we have to put the right one over the left one, like this. Then we have to put everything on this side inside this circle. How? By going up and inside with the ear, and also with the shoelace like this. Then we hold everything with two fingers, and we have to do the same thing with the left part, but this time we go under. Then we pull. As you can see, there are two loops. This time the rope just turns itself a little bit, but it's very resistant because these two loops, usually the normal shoelace has just one. Then we have another way. If we want a little more resistance, instead of doing just one loop, we do just two loops like this. And this is it's more resistant. We do the same like before, everything up, inside. The only problem of this note, it's kind of slow, but now I prefer that note to the others. So, as you can see, that we have the two loops, and in this case I have a very long shoelace, so I can pull just one part like this, and the shoelace comes a little bit shortened. Okay, and the knot is done. For this video was everything. See ya.